Okay, they are going to give a quick tutorial on Google Sheets and how to make a graph. We don't want to get too crazy into it and make you all frazzled, but we've probably heard of Excel before, Microsoft. Google Sheets is just Google's version of what you would be used to in Excel. I've used it a lot. I'm being honest with you. It is really, really good, top quality, so it'll be a lot of fun and easy for you to work with. How we get there, we'll sign in as normal, go to our waffle, and you can find this icon Sheets. Go ahead and click that, and you'll come to your main screen. Obviously, I have way too many, and that's just how we do it. But you're going to go up to blank and click that. It will open. Cool. Now you're ready to go. So, let's just quickly show. This is not a full Google Sheets tutorial. This is just me helping you make a graph, okay? So when we make a graph, we know we have data, and data is anything you're coming up with. So let's just put in and make ourselves easy, and we'll go across this way, okay? And this could be, let's say, student 1, student 2, student 3, and if you get what I'm doing now, you're like, wow, he is really smart. Yes, that's just how we do it. So the first one, the first row across here, this will be our heading for it. And down here, this one will be our data, okay? I am very OCD at times. I always like things uniform, so I will go there and make it look that way. It's easier for me to see, but it's very simple. So now, here, you're going to follow along. You may get lost, but you're going to be fine. We got you covered. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to the top left of my graph data, and I'm going to hold it down and highlight all the way there. So you noticed I made a box to cover it all. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go up to Insert. I'm going to scroll down to Chart, and I'm going to click that. Okay? Notice what it did? It automatically made data for me, a chart. I have my heading here. I have my data there because I labeled it, and it has everything like it needs to. Let's say I didn't want that one. I wanted this one. I could click it just by going over to chart type. I could even go down here if I wanted to. I could do a line chart. I could do many different ones. And what you'll notice is based on what your data gives you is what you can do. Okay? Very, very simple in that one. But let's just keep it simple and go with this. Okay? We will teach you later how you can go down. You can switch things. You can customize it. You can do the legend away, you can change your chart title, you can change the colors, all this stuff. Even if you wanted to change the color, you could change it there like that. Pretty simple. But let's go ahead and get this over to where we need it to. Okay, because for example, in government, on one of them, we're asking for you to, I believe down in public polling, yes, for example, we want you to build your own chart based around data that you have collected, okay? So I need this to be this. All right, one of two ways to do it. One, you could do this whole entire document and put it in there, but we want to make it a little different. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this graph here only, not this stuff here, just this graph, and we're going to put that in as a picture. So we're going to go to our graph, and we're going to click it. Once you have the blue highlight, you're good. You're going to go to the 3, and you're going to go to Download. Click PNG image, and notice it already downloaded. Good to go. So now I need to do the same thing that I've done before when I get a picture, a digital picture, and put it onto my web page. I always want to put it into my drive first. So I'm going to go to my drive. I'm going to go to the plus, click File Upload, and I'm going to go and find it on my desktop or in my system somehow, and I'm going to open it. And from that point then, we know it's there. So I'm going to go over to my web page. I'm going to click it. I'm going to go from Drive, and I'm going to go in and find it there. And then I'm going to Insert, and it's easy. So what I've done there is I've taken data from Google Sheets, made my own data, made my own chart, and then I went put it in my drive. From that point, I went over to the web page and put it there. So it's very simple, it's very clean, and very easy. We'll do more tutorials with it, but we just wanted to show how you get it there. Confident in all of you, just try it. If you have any questions, please do ask.